Batch is in the house. TF Fans Clubs. Aren't you happy you are a member of the TF Fans Club right now? Me and you, Batch, will be here all night long. Just me and you. I don't think there are many TF Fans Club members right now awake, so, you know. So, Batch, do you have any requests? What coins are we gonna look at? 1 people in here right now, 1 like, and Batch gives 1 comment. Exclusive. Man, this is like your only private live stream. I don't think there are notifications for this video or something like that, because right now it's not doing anything special. Yeah, I just came across. Yeah, 1. So, Batch, what do you want us to look at? What do you want us to look at? What are we gonna talk about today, huh? Now, 7 viewers right now. Usually I would be getting like 20-30 views by this by now, but I think YouTube algorithm right now, because it is put on, you know, members only mode, you know, that only members are getting the notifications. Did not get a notification what you're feeling for ERA. I think ERA right now is hitting some kind of resistance, man. By the way, first thing first, we gotta move the music, you know. That was just annoying as F, you know. You know, I think Cardano right now is hitting some kind of resistance. You can see here, we can go to the daily time frame for this. I think Cardano right now is hitting resistance. I know it's nice pump, man. I know it's nice pump, but it is hitting. It's notified now. I think there's a delay. Yeah, like notifications usually go for 20 minutes or something like that. So, you know, we got 20 minutes, you know, until all notifications come in. But yeah. But I don't think, you know, it's just gonna be me and you, Batch. Today is just, you know, tonight is just gonna be me and you, because there are not a lot of TF Fans Club members, and you know, if anybody wanna chat, you know, they gotta be TF Fans Club. So it's just me and you, man, just me and you. So right now for Cardano, you know, this level up here, this 20 level in 10 moving average, is right now acting as a resistance up. Now it's a really nice pump. It pumped up here from 2.3 level. 2.3 level, you know, bullish engulfing candle, crossing, you know, breaking this resistance up here. It's super nice, but you know, we are stopping at the next resistance. Ralph, yo, I made it. Ralph, not only did you made it, you made it at the right time, because right now it's only Batch and Ralph. No, TF fans are here. Good job, Ralph. You came to the right time to join the TF fans, man. TF fans. So look at this, guys. Look at this. This 10 and 20 moving average up here, it's acting as a resistance, you know. So I think it's a little bit scary going, you know, long right now. If it can cross above 10 and 20 moving average, that's bullish. That's super bullish. That's insanely bullish. Unfortunately, we are not quite there yet. It's nice pump, you know, but don't buy the resistance, you know. Buy support, don't buy the resistance. I see you're watching the right coin. Yeah, Batch wanted me to watch the ARA, you know, and I know you guys are, you know, crypto for life. Now you see, guys, you see it's already working. My plan is working out. I thought I'm just gonna make the TA Fans Club member stream, and suddenly, you know, people are gonna join. People are gonna join, and you see, crypto for life. Welcome to the TA Fans Club, man. Since you are the first time here, you get to pick the coin. You get to pick what we are gonna do, man. You get to pick one coin, okay, man? Welcome. Enjoy the green name. Enjoy the emojis. How you doing? DJ AV Styling, man. You also here, man. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be a couple of guys up here in today's stream, you know, but that's good. That's good. I have a feeling tomorrow could be a sell the news. Well, Monday 2 AM ish, the update goes live. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. BTT. Crypto for life. We're gonna check the BTT in just a second. I have a feeling tomorrow could be a sell the news. Yeah, Cardano news, man. Cardano news. Let's pop that out. Brave. Cardano. I'm not quite sure what's happening with Cardano, but you know, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Cardano. Let's if I can just type Cardano correctly, And let's see the news for Cardano. Delta Exchange launches options trading for Solana Cardano. Here's when it's time for Cardano traders to worry. Yeah, that might be interesting. Let's see that. Cardano joins crypto's creative destructive loop. Watch out, Bitcoin 80 cryptocurrency platform Cardano has ADA token past 3 months now. Important Elon Musk backs major Dogecoin upgrade as Bitcoin investor guide. Cardano, which mysterious speaking around 3 in the crypto ball. ADA falls as Cardano smart contracts hit roadblock. This is 1 week ago. We need new news, recent, past 24 hours. Cardano Alonso outbreak breaks programmability. So this is what everybody is talking about. Cardano's big Alonso upgrade will bring programmability. When they say programmability instead of smart contracts, you know this is written for, you know, the people that are not into the crypto world, because they use these, you know, easily to, you know, notice where, yeah, it's programmability. Just say smart contracts to the blockchain. According to Father Charles, he's going to wear the Ghost Pass costume. When is the date? When is the date, guys? I'm driving, drive safe. Love the intro. Thanks, man. Thanks, Crypto for Life. I sold 10% of ADA. I have a feeling tomorrow could be sell the news. Is it tomorrow this is gonna happen? I'm not seeing any dates. Since Cardano announced its video on 30 August that it will release the final Alonso Purple update on September 12th. Oh, that's right now, you know, that's today. Well, tomorrow, technically. The net Cardano gained around 30%. Yeah, maybe it did pump on, you know, sell the news thing. 5 p.m. PST. I think it's overextended, needs consolidation. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's overextended. Like, it is actually, you know, when we are talking about Crypto for Life, thanks for joining, by the way. I've seen you before in the chat, I think. Now, the overextension, you know, the moving averages, once you are, you know, once you are overextended from the big moving averages, that's overextension. Now, up here, we are not actually overextended. We are just, you know, just next to 10 and 20 moving average, exactly where we should be. So, on the daily, we are not overextended. On the 4-hourly, maybe a little bit overextended from 10 and 20 moving average, maybe on the 4-hourly, but still holding the 50, and this is gonna go fast. So, we can just go sideways. 1 hourly not overextended at all. So overextension is not the word that I would use, but Cardano right now, it is hitting definitely resistance up here. It is hitting the resistance, and I'm not quite sure. You know, if it's gonna manage to break tonight, if it's gonna pump tonight. I'm not quite sure it's gonna pump tonight. ISATA, you're right. My bad. No, it's cool, man. We learn together. No problem. It's rather built into the price already, or we could see a big FOMO if it's successful. Ron is in the chat. Ron, man, how you doing, man? How you doing? Are you still hodling ADA? What's your opinion on this, man? What's your opinion? I know you're looking for the moons. We're gonna check the moons for you. We're gonna check the moons. Now, Crypto for Life, our newest member in the TFNs Club, we're gonna do BTT for him. We're gonna check BTT, one of my favorite coins. I don't know, guys, if you know, I made BTT videos long before BTT actually pumped. You know, I'm gonna show you the late adopt. I'm gonna show you how long before I made videos. I don't think I can do it here. Let me just find here. BTT plus. I'm gonna find the video. Wow, that's first time I made a video on BitTorrent was 8 March 2019, and then 5th December 2020. So I'm gonna show you here. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, here is this. Can you see this? Yeah, here's the first video. Have BitTorrent token hit the bottom? So you know, I remember BitTorrent actually, you know, launching. You know, Tron is launching BitTorrent because they bought the BitTorrent and gonna launch the token. And we're watching and we are doing analysis on BitTorrent. And let's see if we can watch the video. It's old video. Can we just? No, not that. Let's go back like this over here. There we go. Old video, I know, but kind of TI knows this is going let me here, you see, this is old days when I was still using Fibonacci's. You know, but here's the BTT ICO price. I don't know if you can see this. Make it zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it is better. Here's the BTT ICO price at 0.00012 and up, you know, it went up to this stop up here, X10 from the initial. So from the BTT ICO price, the first pump went X10, the first pump, and then it started going down. It's some kind of triangle going down, and I was expecting it up here. Let me see here if we can show it. I was expecting it. Let me see if we can. There is no big. Here, so I was expecting this to be some kind of consolidation and to pump towards the upside. There was some kind of BitTorrent client that was supposed to launch in April up here, but it never happened, and but it did not work exactly as planned. It did not work as I explained. Now, second time I made the video, it was on the 20th of August, and I thought this was interesting. So here you can see you see me you know, talking about the previous this is what happened, and it did go up, you know, but it did not actually go up where I thought it's gonna go up, and it, you know, I thought it was gonna go up here, you know, and because of that, but you know, it took a little more while. It dumped down and then pumped up. Either way, this, you know, went sideways, you know, and you see down here, I was talking about BitTorrent at 0.0003 because this is a Tor, Tor's in coin, you know, and I thought, like, you know, it's probable, you know, it can happen, you know, it can be interesting to follow it. So, you know, BitTorrent I've been following for a long time, and then I started making, videos about BitTorrent because, where is it? Because I'm gonna show you why. I started making video on BitTorrent because people started watching my old videos. Like you see here, this 1,000 views, there's 4,000 views on this one, right? And then I noticed, like, oh guys, you know, people are watching my, you know, and this is, you know, when I started making YouTube videos, this is 5th December, you know, so suddenly when I start to see the rise in, you know, the momentum in BitTorrent, I start creating these BitTorrent videos, right? Because people are, you know, interested in BitTorrent. But yeah, I've been watching BitTorrent for a long time, so we're gonna check out what's happening in BitTorrent. Let me just read the comments so we don't get stuck behind. It's not bit into the price, yeah. Good. I still hodl it as well, but sold a little bit for a possible drop. I miss your BTT videos. I watched all of them. Yeah, I mean, once something, you know, goes up and then pops, you know, and starts going down, like, people really, even though they're hodling the bags, they like to watch it, but, you know, the views just goes down terribly, you know. It's really bad, like, just telling people, it's gonna go more down, you know. So you gotta stop a little bit with that. I made a mistake of changing my eagled in ETH. Well, short term, long term, I think it will pay off. Yeah, eagled. Didn't somebody said that Crypto was you know, promoting eagled or something like that, so we might check it out. I'm holding 2.6 million BTT, hoping BTTC makes it blow up. I have to go, mate. Good luck with the stream. Thanks for stopping by, Ralph. The Butin is in the chat. What's up? 53, 42, 107, 80, 200. Man, if you are correct, the Butin, if you are correct on that one, because 42 is really likely to be some kind of a drop to the downside. I think that, you know, that might be some kind of, if you are correct on that. I don't know how you figure that out, man. I don't know if your gardening skills or something like that, but, you know, if you figure that out, if it goes from 42 to 107, then back to 80 and 200, man. That's gonna be like the greatest prediction ever. Okay, let's see BitTorrent. By the way, first thing first, let's change the music, because some of this music is kinda... Okay, let's see what's happening in BitTorrent. So, you know, guys, BitTorrent had a nice pump up here, of course, dumped, found some kind of bottom with everything else, went up in the same kind of pattern that everything went up, started following. This looks more like Ethereum. You can see Ethereum up here, up and sideways, right? While Bitcoin did more like curved move towards the upside. Ethereum did like up sideways and then pump, right? But BTT did kind of like up and sideways, kind of like up and sideways. It does look sideways, and it's trying to have this last pump up here, but, you know, it just didn't have that either, and it kind of crashed towards the downside. And the music is really annoying me. Is there anything better than this crap? Yeah, sure. Sleepy music. Sleepy music is okay. Sometimes sleepy music is okay. So BTT, the important part, you can see here, this is just pumping, but when you see something like this, like a lot of trading up here, the bottom part is the support. So there is some kind of support here at 0.0 or something, right? I think this might be seen on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame support is down here actually, 0.042. So we look to be closing below 0.042. There's still 1 day left, today's Saturday, Sunday, we got Sunday. So this 0.042 is important line of resistance, but this one down here at 0.040 as well. So 40 and 42, this is 40, this is 42. These are very important lines of support, not resistance, support. These are very important lines of support, and you don't want to break them on the weekly time frame. Of course, we also got here the 20 moving average. This is the 20 moving average. You can see here 20 moving average and 10 moving average. So 10, 20, 50 moving average, also important lines of support. So the more supports you break, the worse you get, but I would say like closing below 0.40 on the weekly is actually bad, because there is also the 20 moving average right there. But now that we have these supports lined up, let's go to see how this looks on the daily time frame. Let's see how this looks on the daily time frame. You can see here that we dropped really hard below this purple line. The purple line was support line, and we broke that. Unfortunately we broke the support down here, and right now we try to retest that support as resistance. It was resistant and we dropped down. So technically right now we are in some kind of a bearish, and not only did we get rejected by the 200 moving average, we dropped down below the 50 moving average, and right now I cannot even get above the 50 moving average. 1 hour and 42 seconds on BTT left, so we're gonna see if we actually can drop down or not, but it does not look good though. It doesn't look good. So what am I looking for? Well, the 50 moving average here is the alpha and omega right now. It did act as support previously. So if you start going down there, I would be looking at 50 moving average as support. Now, if you lose the 50 moving average, like every man for himself from then on. But you can see here that let's go to the weekly time frame. Up here, we got rejected by the. No, we managed to get above the 10 moving average, but right now we're trying to get back below the moving average. So we're gonna see, some coins got this. Let me just clean everything. Some coins, you see this 20 moving average, some coins got this move above the 20 moving average, then retest, and looks like they're going to bounce, they'll hold the 20 moving average. Other coins cannot even get above the 20 moving average on the pump to the upside. So this over here, technically right now, it looks bearish, and it's hard to find something bullish about this right now. But on the weekly time frame, like 10 moving average, 0.035, that's bad. That's already down there. Like, doesn't matter how you look at it. You broke down here. Even yesterday you crossed the below 20 moving average. So what do we have then? Is there some kind of impulsive move coming up here that might actually push us up? Let's see if we got any kind of overextensions up here on any kind of time frame, any kind of hope. Well, hope right now comes in on the monthly time frame, because we are still above the 10 moving average on the monthly, so that's something, but it doesn't give us much. Are we not overextend? We are not overextend on the daily. Got this bullish cross up here, but it does look shaky. It looks like it's gonna go over to the bearish cross. Yeah, there's no divergence or anything like that on the weekly. Let's go to the daily down here. Daily just dropping, no divergence down there yet. Still going down. This blue line, if it crosses the 0 line down here, that's actually a bearish move. So that's not looking good either. Either way, however you look at it, however you switch it around, it does look bearish, and I'm looking for more downside. So now where the downside comes in? Well, these two levels are already broken, so whether we're gonna actually hold one of these two levels or not, kind of depends. But on the daily time frame, it should be something around 100 moving average, or around 100 moving average, because you can see here as well. 100 moving average right now, 100 moving average. If you break the 100 moving average 0.0033, like it's gonna start getting ugly. But then you have to watch out, what's gonna happen after that. Is gonna find some kind of support or not. Where is the support? The biggest thing you want to know right now, because I won't be doing this every day, the biggest supports right now on the downside. I'm gonna give you some kind of supports. Okay, some kind of levels that you should you know, look for where you should get. Now the first one is the 50 moving average on the weekly time frame. That's one of the most important things. You guys don't understand how important the 50 moving average on the weekly is, for not only for BTT but for literally everything. Now if you break the 50 moving average, that's gonna turn ugly. I think that's gonna turn ugly. Now that said, very important levels to watch for. Very important levels to watch for. I would say this one down here. Even though there's you know, some kind of top up here, I would say these are. Now take screenshot, you know, because because I'm gonna remove. But these are very important levels. Now there are also two levels, but I don't think that is important. So we're gonna make them different color, maybe a green. Okay, so these two green levels are also important. But not as important as the blue levels. Okay, so all of these levels, you know, with the 10, 20 moving average, 50 moving average, 50. I think I would consider 50 moving average to be one of the most important levels to hold if this is gonna go up. So even though if we drop down to the 50 moving average, there should be no problem as long as we can hold it and continue going towards the upside. Okay. But these are important levels. That's right now this upper line is at 40. We break 40, you're already start to be a little bearish. Then you got this 32. You know, if you break that, you start to get even a little more bearish and so forth, so forth. But right now I look for more downside on this, more downside of this. Francis Razona, guys, my genius is working. People are actually joining the TF Fans Club. Francis Razon, welcome to the TF Fans Club. Now, since you are the first time here, you get to pick the coin that you wanted me to do. What price are you aiming to get out at on ERA at debuting? Or debuting? Thoughts on Solana? Is it blow up lately because of high gas fees on ETH? If so, does Solana have a real future? I don't know. Do you know any? I don't know. You know, Solana is. I don't know. I might say something wrong here, but you know, if Solana is something like Ethereum and competitive to Ethereum, you know. Contracts are like what's built on Solana, right? I don't know. You know, people are talking about the price, people are not talking actually about projects being built on Solana. And I don't think, you know, Solana is pumping because of it. I think it's pumping because people are, you know, thinking that's because it's pumping. And when Solana was 70 or something like that, I said like, I think it's too high, and then went like to under 80, right? So, you know, how much can it something pump or not? You know, it kind of depends. It kind of depends. Feeling around XRP looking more like they will win the case. I saw the SEC threatening the court they would sue them if they went in XRP favor. By the way, when is the XRP thing is you know, getting you know, settled or something like? People are saying like next month for like 10 months now or something like that. I don't know, not 10 months, you know what I mean. ADA now retesting breakout. Let's go ADA bulls. ADA retesting breakout. I don't know, it looks like it's dumping though. It doesn't look like a break, it looks like a dump. I don't know, maybe like it's going below the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly, so you know that's not a good thing. Christopher Robbins, welcome to the TF Fans Club, man. Since you're first time here, you know, you gotta pick the coin. Good morning from Singapore. Thank you for the warm welcome, Tiala. VeChain. I will do VeChain, man. We'll do VeChain for you. So new guys, new TF Fans Club members, you gotta pick the coin. Everybody else, we also get picked coin. There are not a lot of people, you know, but I'm other expect. By October 6th. Yo, Christopher Robert, KSM. We'll do KSM as well. Enjoy the green names, guys. Enjoy the green names and enjoy the emojis. By 6th of October, so that's like, yeah, almost a month. Yeah, a month from now. So XRP, you know, by the way, XRP looks just like Bitcoin. Now, I don't want to tell you all the secrets, you know, but this looks like it's gonna have another dump here, you know, and then bounce to the upside. Maybe on October 6th on XRP. Yeah, October 6th on XRP. So do you guys think that might be the you know, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event? Do you think that that's you know, because there is a lot of rumors coming right now. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Oh no, this is 4 hours. Let's do daily. Yeah. On the 4 hourly, we are sitting on some kind of support on XRP. But look at this moving average. I always like that, guys. You know, when you see these moving averages coming into this kind of a this kind of pattern to some kind of point. I don't know why, but I always think this is a very important level, and right now that's around 1.17 or something like that, right? So I think, you know, if that's gonna go up here, you know, we might just go and retest these levels on XRP. Okay, guys, let's look at a VeChain. Long time since I look at a VeChains. You see down here it has some kind of supports for VeChain. Let's see what's happened on the daily on the VeChain. It did the Ethereum move. My friend tell me about the Dent. Some very bad news. You want bad news on Dent, or do you want good news on Dent? Every here closing statement and SEC filing should be made public. So October 6th is an important date. I'll keep it in mind. We had a couple of important levels of support here. This is from the weekly time frame, most likely. No, it's not. This is daily time frame. Yeah, this is daily time frame. This 0.11 level is already broken down here. So we're gonna remove everything here on the VeChain. I think this is from one of the Patreon videos where we did VeChain. We fell through the... Oh my god, why cannot find some nice music? Where is the lo-fi? I'm gonna listen to hi-fi. No, we need lo-fi. Where's lo-fi? Chill step. Yeah, we're gonna go with chill step right now. I'll let you pick. Okay, we'll check that, man. We'll check that. VeChain went below the 200 moving average, below the 50 moving, and just like everything. And right now, trying to climb back above the 200 moving average. So this is gonna be really interesting close in 1 hour and 32 minutes, where you can get back above the 200 moving average on VeChain. You see this 200 moving average right now, trying to get back above that. But there is a lot of resistance here. There's a lot of resistance, daily resistance here, right here. There's a lot of resistance here. Yeah, this one is up here as well. You can see here trying to get above that, and now of course the 10 and 20 moving average. So right now it is hitting some kind of important support here. This is the 250 support line right over here. Let me just see on the weekly where are the important levels. Down here, that's 0.87. Why did we put them down here? No, sorry, that's monthly. Weekly, yeah, that is weekly. Nice. Okay, so this one, this level of support up here, it's definitely getting broke. Let's see here. Yeah, we broke that with the move down. 20 moving average, very important, also breaking that. These are daily move. This was the 10 moving average, 20 is all the way up here. Why do we use this one up here? I don't remember. It's not, is it? I don't remember how long time it was since I did this. Yeah, you know what? 0.10 is going off. Let's start over. So, and down here, yeah, this is important level 0.87, 0.087. You know, that's important level. Also down here, all important levels. Too many levels, you know. But that's how life is, you know. You got a lot of important levels. Is there a divergence here? There is no divergence on daily. There's some kind of bullish cross which is going into the bearish cross. On the daily time frame, there is no divergence. Everything looks fine and dandy. So it does look like it's following Bitcoin quite closely. And whatever VeChain is doing, Bitcoin is probably doing that as well. Let's go start in the 4 hourly up here on the VeChain and see what 4 hourly is doing. And it does look like it's gonna. So I just told my Patreons, you know, that the 20 moving average up here is really important. You can see not only on VeChain, but literally on every coin right now, the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame is super important line to jump above and go up, because right now it's the 20 moving average that's pushing the price down, not just on VeChain but on everything. The 4 hourly 20 moving average is pushing us down. I can show you even in Bitcoin 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. Ethereum probably 20 moving average, not even close up here. Let's pick some random coin up here on my list. I don't know, CRV. Okay, CRV is getting pushed up by the 20 moving average. Okay, let's look something else, like file 20 moving average, right? 20 moving average. So 20 moving average on the 4 hourly right now, really important level on all coins, not just VeChain or something else, not just VeChain or something else. But however I turn look at it right now, it does look bearish. there are not that many overextended levels right now. Maybe on the daily, I said like on the daily maybe we're a little bit overextended on the daily from the 10 moving average, and some kind of pump might come tomorrow after a dump, but I think it's gonna be first dump then pump. The same thing goes for both VeChain and everything else. The fact that you've lost all of this up here, you see this red candle up here, that means that you broke this level. All of this up here was lost with this candle, and right now if you cannot get back up there, technically you lost the support, and that's also bad. Now you also be losing 200 moving average, 50 moving average, so forth, so that means indicates more bearishness. Unfortunately it indicates more bearishness. You're welcome. It looks, but it's not VeChain problem. It's crypto problem. You know, right now we are bearish because of, you know, Bitcoin is dropping. Everything is having the same kind of patterns right now, and in the short term it does look. I'm gonna tell you what I think Bitcoin might do. I think Bitcoin might actually go down to some kind of let me just do some kind of clean chart up here. I think Bitcoin might actually you know, pull down to some kind of 40 levels, and then bounce all the way up to these moving average up here. I think that might be the case. I think we might, you know, it's gonna be straight up here from over this level up here. But if we drop again, which I think we might, you know, it's not that big probability, but you know, we might. If we drop again, then I'm looking for some kind of big move towards up. If we drop again, I think looking for big move to upside, and the same thing goes for VeChain. If we drop again up here, I'm looking for a big recovery before something else happens. Okay, let's check KSM. I don't think I got KSM on my charts over here. Yeah, I do. I got KSM right over here. I was checking Kusama. I don't know what the name is. Let's start with the four. You know, oh, nice. So technically, right now, this. Well, I won't say this looks nice, but you know, you had a big pullback. Now this is the weekly time frame, and I'm gonna show you something. It looks good, but it's not good because it can be very bad, and usually it becomes very bad. Let's go down here and evening star Doji. I'm gonna show you something. This is evening star Doji pattern. It's when you get a big. Let me see. I can see it. It's when you got a big green candle with some kind of doji and then a big red candle. Now this is only 2/3 in. Now what also you should be looking at is this this wick here. I don't know why, but oftentimes you get this big candle with this doji with a huge wick in the middle, and then you get a big red candle on the side, and this is called evening star doji. That's a reversal pattern that's actually pushing you down, right? So that might happen. So just by looking at this, it's not actually bullish. Now you can see here on the other side, down here, you got also a red candle with a doji, even this big doji on the downside, and then a green candle. This is actually a lot more bullish than this, bearish than this part over here. Although we might actually dump here, this is actually a lot more bullish because it's on you know, top side up here. So for this to be, this is bearish, but it would be more bearish if you had something like this up here and then a big red candle down here. Either way, it's a bearish pattern that's right now forming, but still above the 20 moving average, 10 moving, and so forth. So it's like looks nice. Now it is making lower lows. This is high, lower high, lower high. So technically it's making lower lows all the time. So that's not a good thing. Bullish cross here on the weekly, but it's not helping right now that much. Daily, no divergence. Yeah, there is divergence here. So right now the price is actually going towards the upside while the RSI is going towards downside. So if this continue pumping, of course, you know, this you know, will correct itself. But right now we are assuming divergence, and it is holding above this on the daily time frame. Technically it is good, like a lot, like you just saw, like a lot of coins are below the 200 moving average, But this thing over here just got bounced off of 220 moving average, went above the 10 moving average, and right now pumping again. So this looks bullish, more bullish than a lot of other coins right now. This looks more bullish than a lot of other coins right now. Let's see how the 4 hour is, because on the 4 hour it also looks bullish, guys. I'm sorry to say that, but you know, Kusama looks bullish on the 4 hourly. Kusama looks bullish on the 4 hourly. It's, you know, it's above all the moving averages right now. It's still got 1 hour and 23 minutes left, so we're gonna see how this actually plays out. There was the divergence here. You know, the price was going up here, RSI was going down. There is the divergence, so we dumped here. Right now it's going up again, so we're gonna see how much is, if it can pump a lot, you know, there will be no divergence, you know, but divergences are, you know, divergence is our leg indicator, cannot help you that much, It looks good, it looks good. Let's identify some important lines of resistance and support. Right now should be the resistance that we are looking for. So resistance definitely up here, you can see with the wick 434. A very important resistance up here. Depends if you're gonna, you know, manage to break that. And after that, you know, you gotta go all the way down here. That's support. 318 is support. 260. You know, above here there is also resistance, but this is the most important resistance right now. And you know, we can talk about this later, but right now 318 is a lot more important support because of this 20 moving average right over here. Next week it will come right at 318. So let's see how this looks on the daily time frame when we put it like this up here. So this is right now what you're looking at. You are looking at 343 up here. You know, if you can get above there and close above that level on the weekly time frame, that's gonna be super bullish. I think that can be super bullish if you can close above that. But until you are there, right now you are hitting the resistance. You are hitting the a very important resistance as well. So you know, it's very bad time to go long here. You know, you don't want to go long with the resistance. You want to break the resistance and then go long. You know, you don't want to go long at the resistance. On the other hand, to the downside, you do not want to break the 318. 380 is important level, right? So bullish, bearish, and anything in between is right now just trading, like you know, towards the upside, towards the downside. And right now it looks like it might even try, to go for the move towards the upside. Here's the very nice trend line up here. You don't want to break the trend line on the 1 hourly. This is also on the 4 hourly up here. Yeah, the trend is your friend, right? Don't break the trend. Why would you break your friend when trend is going up, right? Trend is going up here, right? So you got the line of very important line of resistance. You're right now climbing. You know, you don't want to fall down. You don't want to fall down. But even if it falls down here, you know, this is 318 right now is the level actually to be watching for. So anything in between here is just trading. You know how this is gonna pan out, it doesn't matter. 434, 318 support, but it does look bullish. But I think this bullishness might be playing on the last note right now because of this thing up here. But you know, it's still one day left until Sunday, until this weekly close, so you know, you never know what's gonna happen. Choose Stakepool, thank you, you're welcome. Francis, awesome, thanks. Okay, the continuing, you know, the excellence. So I'm home, thanks for the midnight live stream, TLA. Nice. What's up with Dent? CK was really very bullish on Dent. Didn't Ron also want? Yeah, Ron and DJ AV Sally want us to look at Dent. We'll look at Dent. QNT has been on a wild ride list. Yeah, a lot of people are talking about QNT. I picked up 10 KM at 300. 300. That's good, man. At least you picked up KMM, you know, down here. Well, technically you picked up. Let me see. Yeah. So I don't know when if you picked it up here or down here, you know. But you saw the levels, right? You saw the levels. So I wouldn't like to go below 318. I don't know. You know, you bought it down here, so it's not that. You know, it's nice buy. I think it's a pullback buy. Yeah, it looks like a pullback buy up here. So it's a nice buy, But if this starts, you know, getting rejected by this level, you know, and it starts going down here, it might actually look bad. But nice buy. 300 is a nice buy. I gotta give you that, because you didn't buy the pump, you bought a pullback. You know, nice. It's a nice buy. Immortal, hi. I'm late. Good to catch you online. Hi, Immortal. How you doing, man? How you doing? Let's see. Let's go to the dent, guys. Let's go to the dent. Wow. It dropped down to our support line at 47. We got also another support line at 37. This is a weekly time frame. 20 moving average and 10 moving average right now holding this up here. So we're gonna see here how this actually plays out. But dent broke down, you know, this range. It broke down of that, so you know that's a bad sign. Broke below 50 moving average, cannot get back above the 50, holding the support. I think it's gonna dump down. I think everything is gonna dump down, thankfully, guys. Not just then Bitcoin, everything. I think it's gonna dump down, and then we're gonna have a really nice pump to the upside. Pump to the upside. But this 30 level 37. What did CK say, by the way? What's up with that? CK was recently very bullish in that recently. When you say recently, like today, yesterday, or a week ago, like everything can be recently, you know. Definitely a coin toss. That's the, you know, yeah, it's not just Kusama, you know, everything is a coin toss. That's why the risk management in trading and tech analysis is a really big thing, you know. Hi there, stay up for TLI stream. I slept in this morning and missed the morning stream, so this makes up for it. That's a good thing, man. You're at least getting something, I think, right? I'm thinking to buy some more dent. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts about it. 10-15x for dent. Last week on Twitter, he also mentioned it in your live stream. Yeah, he mentioned like x15 on dent. Let's see his let's see his Twitter. Now he retweets a lot. I mean, I don't like to follow people that retweets a lot, but you know. Hi, Konski, my mother is currently on 500 followers. Can we all help her? His mom is on 500 followers, 1000 followers. This is Coinskid's mom. She got a chihuahua and a big dog. Nice mom. Thomas, love you. Yeah, we don't care what Coinskid's mom is doing. No, we are not done with Dent, man. We are not what DJ Avis time. We are not done with Dent. We're gonna go. We're gonna see. I just wanna see if you know XLM, Bitcoin. I cannot find it. The Solana one Hobar. Finally talking about Hobar. Very bullish. Now Coinskid is only talking about big moves. You know what's happening in short term and some stuff like that. Right now he's looking at 38 level, 42, 38 level. This is possible, 38 level to upside. Yeah, it's possible. Everything is possible. And you know, when you get it right, you know, what happens then? Breaking rights. No dent here. This nice, yeah. Okay, but let's say he was right. No, let's say he was right. Let's say just that this is a downtrend. I'm gonna call this the top up here. You know what, let's just clean this a little bit up here. Let's see dent. It's too steep, it's too steep. This is better. It's better, but no cake. It's better, but no cake. Yeah, it's better. I think it's better. I think it's nice. I think it might work. I think it's good. Is this good, guys? Let's call it good. Let's say this is a line of resistance right now. If you want a 15x, you gotta get above this line, okay, guys? If you want 15x, you gotta get above this line. How are the moving averages looking for? Not that good. We dumped down just like Bitcoin, everything. We lost everything up here. We lost everything up here. And right now we are below the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average as of yesterday. As of yesterday, we also below the 50 moving average down here, which is actually not a good sign. Not a good sign. So we'll see if we stay below it and pump towards the upside. But it's not a good sign. Let's see how the 4 hour looking. 4 hour looks like it's gonna be pushed to the downside just like everything else, and I'm expecting some kind of push to the downside. So the dump is gonna come after this level down here at 45. I think the dump is gonna come once we start breaking this previous low here at 45, and when we do that, I think the dump is gonna commence. That said, important level for support should be at 37. It's also next week gonna be corresponding to the 50 moving average as well, but right now it does look like it's you know, holding the 10 and 20 on the weekly, you know, so all good, technically all good. We're gonna see if, you know, this might actually happen, because he's saying 15x, you know, that's a lot towards the upside. 15x from over here. Yeah, that's up there. Can it happen? Sure, why not? 15x, can it happen? Yeah, sure. Today, no. Tomorrow, no. You know, I'm short-term tech analysis. Like CoinSkid likes to do this. He likes to go to the monthly chart and like tell people, guys, this is the best thing ever. We got a real nice go. We're gonna pump up, getting support, real nice support. We just bounced off of this 10 moving average. We're gonna go a little bit down here, and then we're gonna pump up here, and that's gonna happen because this is 2022. You know. So, you know, you know, we can talk about long-term stuff, you know, and say this looks bullish as long as we hold. But you know, you know, these week monthly candles are created so slowly. You know, it's really hard to watch. And by the way, VeChain, like we said, this evening star doji. Here you got one evening star doji created, reversal pattern, and then you continue to the downside. Now, I think this is gonna drop to the downside. I think this is gonna drop to the downside. I see 4 already looking like it's gonna drop. 1 hour looking like it's dropping. So I think tonight is gonna come. I think tonight we're gonna see some kind of drop tonight. I think we're gonna see some kind of drop tonight. Not only Kusama, but on everything. By the way, I only feel safe spot trading versus contracts. Looking forward to CoinSkid photo. Yeah, everybody's looking forward to CoinSkid photo. It's good, TLA. Nice line. Have you already done XRP? I think we just quickly said a quick word about XRP, but yeah, there was on XRP on the 4 hourly. So everything looks like it's gonna dump down, right, guys? Everything looks like it's gonna dump down. But XRP got this 4 hourly really nice. XRP got this really nice moving averages, 50, 100, 200 moving average up here. So I think, because I just told you, like on Bitcoin, I think we might actually go down and just bounce towards the upside. And if we bounce towards the upside on the 4 hour, I think, you know, this might be an important level, around 1.70 and something like that on XRP. We might get up there again. But everything looks like it's gonna, you know, crash a little bit to the downside. So, you know, I'm going with that right now. Let's see 1 hour on Bitcoin. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go down. It looks like it's gonna go down. It's getting ready to go down. I think it's getting ready to go down. So I think everything is gonna, you know, drop down. But I think after they drop, a lot of stuff is gonna be oversold levels, you know, and then, you know, we can do something. The bigger the retrace, the greater the impulsive. Yeah, the bigger the retrace, the better. Time will be on our side. Red Sunday. Yeah, I think, you know, today is already Sunday. We are past 12 o'clock, at least where I am. And in 1 hour and 10 minutes, you know, we will have the daily closed, and we will have the Sunday candle open. And, you know, we're gonna see how that looks at. Look at the upper week on XRP. You wanna see the, you know, upper week? Are you talking about this week? Yeah. I mean, this tried to get, you know, this is the 200, 150 moving. It tried to break everything and just write down. So, you know, if somebody FOMO'd up here, you got something like from top to bottom 17% like crash. Insane levels. The Upper Rico XRP was causing the listing of XRP on Coinbase is listing so many coins, guys. I don't know why. Before they were like cherry picking coins, like we're gonna list this one and we're gonna list that one, maybe that one. But right now it's like any coin, just put more coins on it. It was a mistake. Fake Coinbase Pro listing, so there was no listing. Sometimes these things can happen, guys. Sometimes these things can happen. Usually on some news, black swan events, news that are not meant to come and they come, you know, can be in fake news. And what happens when these things happen? They retrace to wherever they should be, right? They retrace to wherever they should be. You know, in Bitcoin, you remember what happened when you remember when I can find it for you. You remember what happened when Elon Musk bought Bitcoin, or when he said he bought Bitcoin? This happened. This move to was up like this big move to 38,000 from 32 to 38. This is the Elon Musk. This up here, down here, and that's Elon Musk. Elon Musk. And what happened? The price just come back down. Black swan event. This is a black swan event. Elon Musk saying, you know, we got Bitcoin, black swan event. Crazy ship is on Coinbase Pro. Yeah, Coinbase Pro, but it dumped. I didn't. Shiba is right now, everything is, no, it's everything. Shiba right now minus 2%. Let's see how Shiba is doing. Long time since I checked out Shiba. Yeah, it went down to these levels down here, and I said like, oh, this is doomed, but it got to these levels and pumped up. It pumped up so hard. I thought it was done. I thought it was done, and you know, because you can see on Shiba clearly like support, big effing support down here into the support. This support does not want to get broken. But right now, you know, we went up and you can see here getting rejected by these moving averages. So, you know, eventually it will go all the way down here. And if we break this level down here, you will see capitulation on Shiba. You'll see, it looks like Bitcoin. Remember Bitcoin, man. Remember Bitcoin. Bam. You know, that was Bitcoin. So, you know, here the capitulation phase on Shiba might actually come if we break this level down here. I think this is capitulation phase. If Shiba, you know, breaks this level down here, that's a 621. If it breaks 621 down here, this is capitulation phase. Down here is capitulation phase. I think so. Because, you know, it is so important level down here that, you know, if you break that level, you know, it's gonna be terrible. Imagine what will happen when XRP will be available on all US-based exchanges. When is that gonna happen? I still have 80 million Shiba I paid $40 for. 800 million Shiba. 800 million. How much is 800 million? $800 million times 0.12345 620. Well, you up. Congrats, man. Divided by $400. 12x up. Nice. So you bought somewhere down here or something like that. Nice. Very nice, man. Very nice. Would Shiba be worth a buy after capitulation? Yeah, sure, why not? It's on Coinbase, you know, people are still talking about, like, Shiba is the only meme coin that's on not Coinbase, it's on Binance, you know. Shiba is the only meme coins that people are talking about. You know, SafeMoon, not so much. Like, sure, it can be like anything low, but the problem is people thinking like when something drops, how much did this drop? People are thinking when something drops, wow, when something drops 80%, it cannot drop another 80%. Yeah, of course it can drop another 80%. It will always drop another 80%, man. That's what people don't understand. This is another 80% down here. 133, and it can even drop for another 80% down here. It really doesn't matter. See here, 25. I mean, it can still drop 80%. Now it doesn't have to do that, but you know, it can still drop. Like eventually it comes so low down that people are just buying, you know, forever, or just, you know, forgetting about it. But if you can meme it into existence, you know, again, you know, it can pump. Jumps between 5 and 8 grand. Safe moon reflections and whales just cashing out on reflections keeps retail buyers low and drop off. Safe, what do you mean by reflections? Yeah, they posted Twitter saying XRP CB Pro listing, but it was some kind of a system error. It never listed, so XRP pumped and then dumped. Okay, so Black Swan event. Not even a rumor, but literally just news that got, you know, out of nowhere, pumped. Black Swan event. Yes, the Ripple XRP case will surely be settled. Just hodl and buy the dips, if possible. I think XRP is, you know, XRP is one of those things that, you know, survived everything. XRP, you know, he's been around for a while, and right now it's still, where's XRP? Right now it's 7th on the list, you know, but it is keeping the top 10 forever and ever and ever. And, you know, XRP, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, you know, those are the coins, those are the coins. It's Binance coin. Not actually coin, you know, but you know, the pure coins, those are the XRP, Bitcoin. They are not smart contracts. I think they're not smart contracts. I might be wrong. Internet computer, goddammit. Yeah. It charges 10% tax to buy, and the more coins you hold, the more you get. Yeah, reflection. Yeah, so if you just hodl, you get, you know, people are buying and selling. So I remember in 2018, you know, down here, not even here, down here. It was a big, you know, Ponzi coins was a big thing down here. This is 2018. Ponzi coins were a huge thing down here. Even in this up here, you know, Ponzi coins were a big thing. Now, it wasn't, you know, meme coins like right now. It was literally a Ponzi schemes. It was a really, really big thing right over here. So how did it work? And it, you know, right now, these meme coins that actually came to the market, you know, SafeMoon, you know, Hodge, you know, all kinds of these Doji coins, they used similar tactics to these Ponzi coins. And added some new stuff, but basically it was like this. You know, you buy some coin, and they take instantly 10% of your money, and they take that 10% and give it to everybody else, right? When you buy in, but it also, when you sell coins, they also take minus 10% and give everybody. So when you buy and when you sell, you are losing, you know, 10% every time, right? 10% every time. So of course this, you know, the price chart on all Ponzi coins went right up because everybody bought and hodled, you know, and then they were spreading the memes, buy this, buy this, buy this. But eventually, you know, you cannot get more people in, and then, you know, people are, you know, people want to sell the top. And even though the thing is, when you have this kind of mechanics, when you buy in 10% they take out, and when you sell, you know, 10% they take out. The best thing to do is just hodl, because when price goes up you are making money, but even when price goes down you're still making money. Now you have to, you know, see how much you're making money up here and selling down here, and will this eventually come back again? Because the best case scenario is when these Ponzi coins does something like this, right? Because you make money here, 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 you make money, and eventually you can sell because you are making money, you know, both ways. You know, people selling, you getting money, people buying, you getting money. So you're getting money all the time, but it needs to go higher. It needs to go higher, and eventually you have to sell, because at one point, this is what happens. At one point it goes like this, and then it dies, and it never recovers. It never recovers, and doesn't matter how much money you got up here. You know, it's worth nothing at the end. It's worth nothing at the end. You know, so this 10%, you know, give and take when you buy and sell, it's an old mechanic from 2018. So some whales on SafeMoon were making $100,000 a day selling reflection coins with touching their base, almost like a pyramid scheme payout. Yeah, I don't know how that worked out, you know, but probably like there's a lot of pyramid schemes and Ponzi coins and everything in this space, man. At one point XRP was number 2. Yeah, XRP was number 2 and it was number 3. Yeah, at one point. That's what SafeMoon does. That's SafeMoon's reflections, yeah. That's why SafeMoon is so popular. But you know, if you know, SafeMoon just keeps on bleeding and dies, you know, everybody who held it from the top, doesn't matter how much money you get when people are selling, you still, you know, and with a million coins but worthless coins, you know. You won't have a million coins, but you want those coins to be worth something. The handout depends only on size of what you have. If you have a million coins, you only get a few thousand free a month. If you have trillions coins, you get billions free weekly. Have to get some sleep. Thanks for the Steam TFN stop. Here's a stop for the later stop button. Thanks, Batch. See you around, man. Sleep tight. Yeah, that's why SafeMoon went good. Like, but these are yeah, you know, the first one of the first, if not the first, P3 P3 Ponzi. What's it? P3 crypto Ponzi. What's it called? I got a name. I'm gonna find it. Crypto charts Ponzi's. Power of Weekends 3D. Yeah. So this one up here. This is one of the first. This is, you know, 2018 stuff, guys. This is 2018 stuff. I don't know if you're. This is 2018 stuff. Power of Weekends IO. You could buy and sell a blockchain managed Power of Weekends, and they had really nice, really good idea for it, and you know, they are really good with programming, and they made you know, certain other stuff to pump the Power of Weekends 3D. Now, you know, there is still 3,000 Ethereum in the contract. There is still 3,000 Ethereum in the contract. Somebody's still holding. But right now, every ETH P3D is 0.0059 or something like that. But at one point, I think there was 80,000 Ethereum in the contract. 80,000 Ethereum. Do you know how much 80,000 is? 80,000 right now. 80,000. There was 80,000, maybe even 90,000, maybe 100. I don't know. It was a insane amount of Ethereum in this contract. What's the all-time high? Let's say 3,200. 256 million in the contract. Do you understand how big Ponzi this was? This was a huge Ponzi, guys. This was a huge Ponzi, and this was one of the first. And this is called Power of Weekends. What does Power of Weekends mean? I'm gonna teach you guys. What does Power of Weekends means? Power of Weekends. It means that when people sell, you get money. And when people buy, you get money. So only people that actually make money are those that holding. You know, strong hands are making. But Power of Weekends means, you know, you are getting money by these weekends, right? So they had really great. I think these are the first guys that actually started this thing. You know, buy and sell 10%, and then came all kinds of other Ponzi coins. You know, with buy and sell. Power of Week legs, Power of Week mat. You know, it was you know, charades. But it was good. It was fun, you know, and still 3,166 in the Ponzi scheme, you know. But these Ponzi's, you know, eventually all fail. It's, you know, they might, you know, hold for a while. By the way, guys, how is going with the tech lead? How's it going with the $1 million token? By the way, guys. My problem with Bitcoin, you got a problem with everything, mate. I don't like this guy. You know, I started liking him, but the more I watched him, you know, I kind of read his thing. And 2 weeks ago, one with fighters, one is 2 weeks ago. The next big thing, if making 100x, I don't know. How is his coin doing?
All right.
I was talking about NFTs. Yeah, OpenSea trading volume, NFTs. Yeah, he's talking about NFTs. But he's got this million token. Where is this million token? Let me find his million token, man. Crypto million token. Where is the million token, man? Milliontoken.org. Yeah, he made this token, right? And where is the chart? I'm betting he's hiding chart. We have contract, so let's see the contract right now. Price is 15. It was higher. Let's copy the contract up here somewhere. Where's the contract? This is the contract. Let's copy the contract and go to, I don't know, Dex Guru, maybe Dex Guru. But Dex Guru is for BPC, right? I'm just looking at this. Yeah, okay. Check this out. It's selling of snake oil, as they say. Yeah, can we just zoom in a little bit on this? Yeah, it's fine. Let's put this on. What happened? What happened? What happened? Don't mess up my brain. There is it. First we're gonna do this and this here. It's gonna be fine. Just wanna start. Let's put it on 12 hours maybe. No, it's not. God damn it, what I do. Is the same coin? It says million. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's see. We're gonna put this on 12 hours. You know, technically, this is his coin. We're just gonna remove this, pump it up or whatever it was. Let's zoom in here. Look at this. So what happened here, guys? What happened here? Well, it pumped a lot and then it started bleeding. What is a bleed? Because, you know, when you create a coin that has no purpose, nothing, it's just a coin, it's just a, you know, whatever. This is what happens with the coins. This is what happened with coins. You can pump it up, you know, because something is new, you know. When something becomes new, you know, you buy that, you know, get in, and then you can pump it up, you know. But eventually, if you don't have any more people to get into your Ponzi, it just starts bleeding down. So Ponzi's have to have good techonomics or whatever you want to call them, good mechanics. They have to have good memes. They have to be easily, you know, sellable. You have to tell people, oh, it's gonna be smart contract, it's gonna take over the world, like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a really good Ponzi. It's gonna take over the world, and as long as people believe in the Ponzi, as long as they believe in the coin, it's gonna pump. It's pumping. But as soon as people lose the faith, and you cannot sell it because the coin has actually no memes, it's not a cute cat or cute dog, what happens is just starts selling off and dies. You know? BTC dipping, it's not dipping, it's 0.42. It's too early for the dip, it's too early for the dip. 1 o'clock, let's see up here. Wow, I am far. Meta Hero did good. Maleva Cruz, how you doing, man? Meta Hero did good. 4 hourly dipping, 1 hourly. Yeah, it did close. It's soon. It looks like it's gonna dump soon, but it's not yet there. It's not yet there. Meta Hero. I don't know what's Meta Hero, by the way. Meta Hero IO. Next gen deflationary real utility token. Utility for what? Price chart. You know, when there is some kind of token. Is this the scanner? Yeah, this is the scanner thing that's actually selling the actual product. You know, somebody told me about this a long time ago. MetaHero has partnership with Sony. Yeah, somebody told me about this a long time ago, and I never I thought oh, this is cool, you know, but I will check it, but I never came back to it. Let's see the price. No, this 15-minute chart. No, we want a daily chart. It's just going up because this should actually be able to go up because it's not correlated with Bitcoin. Yeah, it is going up. So from here 0.02 to, wow, how much is that? 300%. Okay, it's not that much, but it did start pumping right now, and it's still going, you know, it's still going, you know, the volume is still pumping towards the upside. So I don't know if this is done or not. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah, box charts, Hero USD. So this looks actually nice. Let me see here on the big chart. I don't know if this is the full chart of the daily. Let's see 4 hourly. 4 hourly, maybe it's maybe a little bit. It's loading. I'm going to crash. Enjoy your evening. Thanks for the stream with the valuable updates. Thanks for stopping by, DJ AV Styling. This is for, you know, TA Fans Club members. Let's see on the 4 hourly how this actually looks like. Yeah, it's climbing. It has really nice climb. You know, but I would like to do some, you know, if possible, some kind of TA on this. Where's the... Where are the moving averages? We need moving averages, guys. MAs. 10, 20, 50, 100, 200. 10 style. $20 style red. I like my colors, you know. 50 is yellow, you know, that's nice. 100 is blue, give or take, and this one is purple, give or take 200. Okay, let's see the moving averages, how they are. Yeah, MetaHero looks like it's climbing, guys. It looks like it's climbing. It's getting these higher highs. Maybe you should check for some kind of yeah, MetaHero looks nice. I like MetaHero right now. It's not correlated. I like coins that are not correlated with Bitcoin right now, and MetaHero doesn't look correlated. So it's a 0.11. I don't know what coin cap. Let's see. Is MetaHero on market? Solana, Mu, Terra, Mini Sports, Calata, Kala. I don't know what Kala is. MetaHero. It is there, actually. It is there. Wow, fully dilute market cap. Market. Wow, it's low market cap. It's not that high, so this can actually go 7 days, 1 month. Yeah, it definitely start pumping here. Oh, over here, it definitely start pumping like a month ago. What's that? 1 month ago, 7 days ago. Yeah, 7 days. This is actually very early. This is actually very nice find, man. Who said me? Who told me about MetaHero has partnership with Sony? Christopher, thanks for that, man. I like that. I like that. I like coins that haven't pumped, or that are pumping but nicely pumping and not correlated with Bitcoin. This doesn't look correlated at all. It looks very nice at least. Where do you buy a hero, by the way? Where do you buy hero? Buy hero. Pancake swap. Nice. You can buy it actually on Pancake swap. Nice. I might get some. I might get me some hero. I might get me some hero. I'm not quite sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do it right now. Right now it's actually nice because on 10 moving average. Let's see how it's looking on daily. Are we gonna wait for a pullback or what? I mean, we had the pullback, you know, maybe some kind, maybe it's creating some kind of triangle pattern up here before it goes. Maybe it's be wise to wait a little bit. Maybe it will be wise to wait a little bit up here. Yeah. But it is on the 10 and 20 moving average on the 4 hourly. I'm gonna definitely check this out. Anyways, Christopher Robinson, thanks for that, man. I liked it. I liked it. You know, now that we are talking about coins that are not the coins that are not, you know, correlated with Bitcoin, we got Meta Hero. Okay, and then we got Hex. This coins not correlated with Bitcoin, right? Meta, and you got a Hex, and if you look at a Hex, man, if you look at a Hex, let's see where is Hex. Does this look correlated to Bitcoin with you, man? This is the insanely beautiful chart. So if you guys know any more coins that are not correlated with Bitcoin, I'm willing to hear that. I'm willing to hear that. Any coins that are not correlated with Bitcoin or crypto in general, bro, check Tencent too. Okay, let's check Tencent, man. There is no Tencent. Tencent IO. The bridge between crypto and stock market, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Gate.io, Bitmart, yeah. What we want to know is, where is the chart? Show me the chart. Roadmap. Home, roadmap, gems, vote, John team. No chart. Swap. Portfolio, gems. You know what we can do? We can go to ERC20 token and go to no and go to what's called it, Dex? No, it's called Dex Guru. Tencent, is this the one? Let's see Tencent on CoinMarketCap. Tencent. Yeah, it is this one, right? Let me just see the chart. 1 day up, 7 days shady, 1 year, year to date, all. Yeah, it looks like it's going a little bit up, but I don't. I remember Tencent. I remember Tencent. I think I remember Tencent, guys. I remember Tencent. Oh, if you go to YouTube, Ivan on Tencent, Meta Hero and Tencent analysis. 2 days. Is this why people are talking about Tencent and Meta Hero? Because of this? Tencent altcoin. But this Ivan on tech. These altcoins are, you know, the future of Star Atlas. He had an interview with Tencent. Oh, I'm there. See, TF Fans Club, man. TF Fans Club. This guy's trading. What's his now? 49,500 net for 980. I don't know. He had this thing where he was. This guy's trading all the time, but he had this thing where he wanted to go to $1 million, but right now he's at $980. You know what happened with this money? Maybe Google search is better. Yeah, I don't know. I think I heard about Tencent. on Ivan and Tech. It's a long time ago. I think it's a long time ago. Are the same guys. Yeah, that's why maybe people are talking about it, Tencent and thing. But this is Tencent chart. This is Tencent chart. We're gonna look at the weekly chart up here. And I don't like the Tencent chart that much. Now this look like some kind of bottom down here, but you know it's not nothing that's right now. It's not that. It looks like some kind of bottom and tries to get a, but you know it's still not high. You know, creating higher highs or anything like that. The Meta Hero chart is a lot better looking. I mean, Meta Hero chart looks very nice. It's a nice pump. It's still going up, you know, but I don't know if we are hit some kind of top yet. It doesn't look like we hit some kind of top yet. I don't think it looks like we hit some kind of. It might be pumping on the news and stuff like that. It might get some kind of crash, but I'm gonna keep watching. I don't think I'm gonna keep watching Tencent. You know, I don't like the chart, but Meta Hero definitely. Moon River. Oh, it's actually it's on KuCoin. Moon River mover. Looks like hit some kind of top up here. What's the 644 million market cap? 482. Let's see. Let's this chart up here. There's a tether. This is daily, but you know this. Oh, you got mover on KuCoin. You got about you know Kraken as well. But this is versus Ethereum. So I can't find a nice chart. And this September. Oh, September. Oh, it released in September. August 1st September. Oh, so this is the full chart then. This is the full chart of Moon River, man. Look at this pump up here and just continues going up. Okay, so this is the full chart. Okay, but let's see it on versus Tether. Yeah, it is climbing. It looks nice. Let's see the volume. Volume is climbing up here right now. Volume is actually kind of dying down. Maybe it's hitting some kind of top. Getting scared to buy. This 4 hourly. Nobody cares about 4 hourly. The thing is, it's extended from the 10 moving average. So you know, if I want to get into this, like it's gonna be on the 10 moving average down here. But I don't know what Moon River is though. I don't know what Moon River is. You know, if you know if Moon River, it's not, you know, I right now I like everything that's not Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is, for me, it looks like it's gonna go down, and everything is full of Bitcoin. Is not. This looks good, man. This looks good. It is extended from the 10 moving average, so you know some kind of pullback would be nice. Right now the 4 hourly, you know, if we can get down to the 20 moving average, what's that? 356. 235, maybe, yeah, 235, 50 moving average down here. You know, that would be nice. The dump down to 50 moving average would be nice. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by, TF Fans Club members. Francis, thanks for joining. Who more joined? Crypto for Life, thanks for joining, and Christopher Robinson, thanks for joining the TM Fans Club. Enjoy the green name, post the emojis. You know, I think we're gonna do a little bit more of these TF Fans Club member, you know, streams. I wonder what the future holds for Algo and Cosmos. By the way, guys, everybody can type in now the last 5 minutes. Here we go. You are free to type. Everybody can type in chat right now. So if you want to say some ending words, you're welcome to do that. Most welcome, TLA. Thanks for a great TA. You're welcome. Yeah, Moon River looks nice. Moon River looks nice. So what do you find out today? Moon River and Meta Meta Hero looks nice, and BTC and everything else looks like it's gonna dump a little bit to the downside before it actually pumps. X Moon River. I'm gonna add Moon River up here because I don't want to add 10 set, you know, but and Hex is a little bit extended, so you know I'm not quite into Hex right now. A little bit extended, but it does follow. It doesn't follow Bitcoin. Ammo doesn't follow Bitcoin. There you guys, white guys, not white guys, but you know, not green guys. Ammo. There is no ammo here, man. AMP. Yeah, probably that's there is AMP and Gemini, but Polynex. AMP Tether USDT. I don't know, man. It looks to me like it wants to dump. AMP, I don't know what AMP does, but this is a very bad sign for AMP. It looks like it's gonna dump. Thanks for the tea, Brian. You're welcome. Neo Tetris. Let's see Tetris Neo. It doesn't look good. It does follow Bitcoin though, and everything else. Look at IDEX. Yeah, somebody was talking about IDEX. How is IDEX doing right now? It's a Binance coin, right? Calculated by... Wow, what the F, man. What did IDEX do, man? What did IDEX do? This is some kind of manipulative pump up here. I don't know what this is, man. Too scary for me. I don't like that, man. It's too extended from the moving averages. Just way too extended. I don't know what it is. Maybe just low, but look at its volume, man. Yeah, that's insane. But you see the line. I've looked at IDEX before though. I looked at it before. Webcamchat.com, hot girls and boys video chat. You know you've made it when you get to these kind of, you know, people that you know, spam your chat with these kind of things. Webcam chat, hot girls and boys video chat. AMP pumped when BTC was going down before it had a nice pullback. Thinking of buying some more AMP. I don't know if you know, my opinion on AMP right now is this is gonna go terribly wrong. It already crossed the 10 and, you know, broke the 10 and 20 moving average down here. This move up here right now, it looks like it's gonna dump hard. I don't know, man. You do you know. It's just one. You can see here, even on the daily time frame, like it holds this line of support right now. This 200 moving average. See here, 200 moving average. And right now it's going into this. I don't know how you want to draw it. So I think it's gonna drop. I mean, sure, if it would be nice if it pumps over here, but I've seen this kind of stuff before, you know, and oftentimes it just drops like a thing. Scammers here. Yeah, I don't know if they're scammers. They're just trying promoting their channel. Hey Tila, can you take a look at the RSR? Oh, RSR, you know, reserve currency and stuff like that. Not the reserve currency, but reserve. You see that I did, but no, the reserve is actually just doing what everything else is doing, you know. It's following Bitcoin right now. It's following on the dollar. It looks actually more like Cardano than Bitcoin. This part over here looks more like Cardano than Bitcoin. Rosecoin, yeah, I can wait for it to go down more. We just mentioned it hasn't followed BTC much. That might be true. Honestly, I didn't look at the chart recently. Yeah, sure, no problem, man. It was just my first. It was just the first impression. Like look at Rosecoin. Rosecoin is the last coin I'm just gonna check out pretty quick. I just wanna see if this is actually following Bitcoin too much. This is following Bitcoin too much. Even this dump up here, this pump. Yeah, it did pump up here. You can say it's not following Bitcoin. I understand not following Bitcoin, but entirety up here it is following Bitcoin. You know, right now it might be, you know, doing its own thing. You know, but overall it's following Bitcoin. But these other coins, they're not following Bitcoin. So you know, keep on watching them, guys. I'm not promoting any coins, you know, and anything, and I'm not, you know, invested, and I don't get paid by, you know, neither Meta Hero, Hexo, Moonray, or whatever. But you know, you know, any coins that doesn't follow Bitcoin or Bitcoin is going down is a good coin in my book. You know, hold or sell XRP. Thanks, man. You're the best. Whatever you wanna do, cannot help you there, man. It's Saturday night, Magnus. You're not out clubbing. Dude, I got kids. I'm 40, almost 40 years old, you know. Clubbing, that I'm done with that. You know, when I'm 50, you go clubbing when you're 20 and you go clubbing when you're 50. And between 20 and 50, you know, you got kids. But once kids are, you know, out of the house, you go back clubbing, you know. So at 50, you guys, everybody, at 50 we go clubbing, okay? It's not actually 50, yeah, it's like 55 for me or something like that, I don't know. No worries. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Just a chill stream. By the way, if you're not TFN's Club member, it costs you like $5 a month. I appreciate looking and saving me time. I've been doing TA on the coins I own, and I don't have AMP right now, but besides like 5 out of 40k combined crypto. That's nice. Bitcoin doesn't follow BTC. These three doesn't follow Meta, Hero, Hex, and Moonriver. I think there are several. IDEX, somebody said IDEX, right? IDEX also. IDEX also doesn't follow Bitcoin, but I don't like it because it pumped a lot. I don't like it because it pumped a lot. Back to Bitcoin, thanks. Anyways, guys, too late. 29 minutes to daily close. It's gonna be a really important daily close. Where is the daily close? Up here. Let's see the daily close. Where do you guys think we're gonna close? Are we gonna close above the 200 moving average? This 200 moving average. Are we gonna close above that, or are we gonna close above the 50 moving average where we are right now? Look at this 50 moving average down there. If you close below 50 moving average, that's actually terrible move. Terrible move. How do I become a member? Go to the YouTube page. There is something like this. Yeah, there is something like to the late adopter or something like that. And there is the channel, and under the channel any kind of video, right? Any kind of video. And then there is this join button down here. Now if you press join button, you should go here, right? Join. Right? If you go there, sign in to become a member. Yeah, that's the one. So if you go to that link down there, you can join the member. You can get the green name, you can get you know, emojis and stuff like that. And you know, sometimes when you do TFN's Club live stream, you can be part of it. It broke 45k yesterday, so why didn't it dump 10? Michael Akaudis, it broke 45 yesterday, 45 Bitcoin. Well, it did dump, you know, but it hit support and it bounced back. It doesn't work that way. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking like this, man. You're thinking like this, man. Here's the problem. It goes down here. You're thinking if it breaks the 50,000, you know, it's gonna dump. And it goes down here and it goes here, but it, you know, stops down here, right? And you're thinking like it broke it down, so why it's not dumping more? It broke the support, right? The problem is it broke the support after impulsive move from the top, right? So what you wanna see is like, bam, you know, you want to see some kind of pushing on the downside, pushing on the support, and then the dump. Because when it's up here and it goes down, when it's up here and goes down support, it's already extended from some averages, and you know, it takes a while. It takes a while, and it breaks down. Brian Ooning, welcome to TFN's Club. Enjoy the green name. Unfortunately, we are ending the stream, but next stream you might be, you know, the one guy that does for coins. Going to join. Thanks, man. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the support. Anyways, guys, that's it for tonight. I mean, we should probably be here like 25 more minutes just to look at the daily close, you know, but who cares? It's gonna be dump day tomorrow. It's gonna be dump day tomorrow, I think. But when that happens, when dump day happens, I think we just might, you know, if we dump over here, I don't think we, you know, I think the lowest we're gonna go is like 42k, and then we go to the moon, right? That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Kingsdove, I'm very happy to be here. I'm new. Kingsdove, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TFN's Club soon. Soon you'll be one of us. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. See you around. Bye-bye. Where's my stop?